Thank you, Shunjoy and Vijay, for the great insight. And since now that we know what load balancer exactly is, and now we know about the architecture of the load balancer, I think now it's the right time that now we start implementing the load balancer from scratch with the help of the project build feature of Codemaster AI. So over to you, Shunjoy.
Yeah. As we discussed what is load balancer, here it's the same thing written in a like a textual manner, what we are going to build, what are load balancers. As you can see, it is mentioning load balancers are the unsung heroes, which is like very true. It runs the entire internet. Like the tech stack we are going to pick here is the language we are picking TypeScript, but this project challenge will support multiple languages for this particular challenge. But if you think in a big scale, load balancers and this type of low level services should be like where it involves this kind of like network level concurrency. Most favorable language is Golang with the package manager Jin, but we are exploring TypeScript here with the Bun runtime. If you have heard about Bun runtime, Bun is like very blazing fast, like closer to Golang's performance. It is getting like more trending day by day using TypeScript scale. So the journey will be of 20 steps. Like the first phase will be like setting up the basic project structure, setting up some like boilerplate code, like robust configuration management, core objects that represent your backend servers. And the second phase will be the core logic. We will implement like different algorithms that power the load balancer, the random algorithm, round robin algorithm, the weighted round robin algorithm. How does those algorithms help to route traffic to different backend instances? The third phase is the resilience. The resilience of load balancer is very important, like this health check patterns, the passive health check patterns, the retry logic. How does it do the retry logic and all those things? And advanced features comes at the phase 4, that is step 16 to 20. That is the self-healing capabilities, the real-time stats monitoring, and the dynamic configuration updates. So like the phase 4 consists of all the recent features that are like recently introduced into like modern day load balancer with like real-time stats monitoring, and you can check your backend health status or your pool of backend servers, how they are processing requests, how much time they are taking to process requests, everything in a good dashboard kind of way.
Uh, do you get like just like build your like actual system and like just like test it out?
Yeah, yeah. So right now, what I will show you is like it's a, like a very interesting way to like build out the entire project. It's a, like a validating way of like each step you build something with a guided manner and you validate your step that it actually worked or not. And uh, like for the load balancer, we are covering all the steps. Like you are building the actual load balancer. At the end of the day, you can dockerize this particular application and you can deploy. And whatever application you have, backend pool, you can use your own load balancer rather than using AWS. Like obviously, AWS will be the better one for now, but why not try out?